Hello everyone, this is Manas here. Today we'll see how to access your cluster. So you click on your cluster, then come back here to the quick start. Here you'll have the option to access the cluster. Click on that button. You'll have two options here: Cloud Shell access and local access. From accessing your kubectl cluster from your local machine. So we'll use Cloud Shell for now. Let's launch Cloud Shell. We'll copy this command. Let's wait for the Cloud Shell to start. Yeah, it's up now. Then we'll paste the command that we have copied. Enter. Existing kubeconfig file found at this. New config merged into it. Fine. So let's run some kubectl command. Get nodes. So you can see there is one node attached to this, like one worker node attached to this cluster. We'll see the namespaces. These are the namespaces. So that's it. Now you know how to access your Kubernetes cluster, or in specific the OKE cluster. Thank you for watching this video, and please okay. I think I have forgot one more thing here. Let's add some workload to this cluster. We have some examples here, so we'll just add some sample workload to this cluster. So let's do a kubectl create, and it will deploy our sample application. So I'll paste it here. So you can see that our deployment has been created. kubectl get deploy. So this is an Nginx deployment. It is ready. So let's get the pods. kubectl get pods. Yeah, both the pods are running in this deployment. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in another video, and then we'll see how to upgrade a OKE cluster. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.